In this tutorial, we'll solve your issue when the Bootstrap carousel caption is not showing on mobile.
Here in the carousel, something disappeared on a small viewport. And that's actually the default behavior in carousels is that these captions, it hides them on small viewport, right? So this is actually something that we haven't changed yet. So in carousels, we do want to make sure that these captions do not get removed, and they do that by default with these two classes. So this means display none, and then from the medium breakpoint and onwards, they make it display block again. That's how they hide it. So on smaller than medium, it's hidden. So we just want to remove this so that it's never hidden. Now the captions always stay here, right? So when you use captions, that's a tricky one. By the way, if this was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Also, check out my courses on CSS and JavaScript if you want to take those skills to an advanced level. Because in there, we will build some beautiful real-world projects from scratch so you can see how everything fits together and really master CSS or JavaScript. And I will also release other courses soon like React and Node.js. So if you want to be notified, then make sure you are subscribed to the email newsletter. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.